Hello and welcome to this Camtasia 2019 tutorial. This is really an overview on how quick it is to import media and upload your edited videos to YouTube. So let's get started. On the media button, click that and then select Import Media. Import your media. I'm importing a trailer that I made a couple of years ago for a book that I illustrated. So I'm going to click Open. And then within the media bin, just drag and drop your animation to your timeline and then click play. Okay, so now I'm going to add some music and then upload it to YouTube. So I've got all this dead space here on my timeline, so I'm just going to click the zoom into timeline button so we can zoom in a little bit and see what we're doing. So I'm going to scrub right back to the start, and from the toolbar I'm going to go to the libraries button and add some music. So just scroll up here for a second. Within Camtasia you get free icons, intros, outros and moving backgrounds, as well as free music. It's a complete library, it's great, and it will save you so much time in editing. So I'm just going to select summer whistling and drag that onto my timeline and hit play. That's great. So I'm now just going to crop it down to the same size as my animation. There we are. And I'm just going to add a fade into the music as well as a fade out. So I go to Audio Effects, and again just drag and drop fade in and drag and drop fade out. I can then control when the fading starts and where it ends, simply like that. So I'm going to scrub back again and hit play. So that was all pretty simple. So let's say I want to split my animation in half and just delete a chunk. So I'm just going to scrub on the timeline to, let's say at this point, it's the beginning of this bit here. So I'm going to ensure my animation is selected, not my audio. This is indicated by the yellow border around the animation, which shows it's selected. And then click the split tool up here, and that will then split the section exactly where your indicator is on. So I'm going to cut that whole section out and press split again. So if I move the indicator and zoom in, you can see that this has now split my animation into three. So I'm just going to simply click delete on the keyboard and then just budge this half of the animation up. You can see there. Cool. I'm going to zoom out and then I'm going to move my audio to end, let's say there. Bring that down and then snap my audio to end in line with my animation. Perfect. So now I'm going to share on YouTube. So navigate up to the top horizontal toolbar and click on Share and YouTube. And then give the project a title. So I'm just going to call this Demo Trailer, a trailer of a demo video, and tags animations. So this will all be displayed within your YouTube preference. So it's important for your search engine optimization that you put in tags related to your video and a good description. Down here, you can see your privacy options within YouTube. So if you want anyone who to search your video and view it, click on public. If you want it to be displayed privately to only specific YouTube users, click private. and unlisted will make sure that it's not searchable and can only be accessed for a link. So I'm just going to click public and click finish. And so that's going to upload the video now. By the power of editing, the video has now uploaded and it has taken us to our YouTube channel. So let's go to our dashboard and your channel. And then from here, I can see my demo trailer. So I'm just going to click on my demo trailer. There we go. It's on YouTube and it's live. Thank you so much for watching this overview of Camtasia 2019. Please like and subscribe below. If you want a 30-day trial of Camtasia, there's a link in my description of this video. And if you want any other videos to do with Camtasia or any tutorials, let me know in the comments section. See you soon. Bye bye.